And how do you...
Are you interested in any particular aircraft?
Actually, I want the one with the biggest engine.
Are you interested at all in fuel economy and protecting the environment?
I don't think this is the kind of thing I would want to worry about right now.
I want to say it's around 18.
Seats are much better than coach.
Are they better than first class?
Well, I would say it's about equal. It's about equivalent.
Okay.
It's about equivalent to first class. I don't know that this is a movie flight. I'm not sure whether or not it is.
Well, it is a movie flight because I'm the one who's making the movie.
Is this standard or is this an automatic?
I think this is a standard. I think this is a standard. But don't forget to take off the parking brake.
Oh God, I always forget to do that.
Yeah.
I always forget. I've done that a
Yeah.
lot
It's
of
got
yes.
2 sticks there.
Yeah. Where's the radio? I mean, how do
Gee,
how
I
can I get the
don't know
radio?
where the radio is.
Air conditioning, the fan. Where's that?
Well, we have
I don't know where that is. I mean,
yeah, we have the.
it's very hard to figure this out.
Yeah.
Does this have a manual?
Yes, it has
Is
a
it
manual.
like,
You
where's
may
the
have
glove
to.
compartment?
Is there a glove? It's in the glove compartment.
It's in the glove compartment. I can't find the glove compartment.
Then there's the Encore.
It has a clutch. This looks like this is a standard because it has a clutch.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And that looks like the emergency brake there.
Some of those logos is around 120.
I suspect it's something else, but
I don't know whether this is four-wheel drive or not, but I saw there's only 2 wheels in the front.
yeah.
A couple of back. So I guess that's
Yeah,
how it works.
I suspect they use the engines for the push.
And versus
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, this is good. I think we'll try this
you know,
one.
as you'll see, it's 3 to 4 hours or 3 to 4 trips a year.
I think the cabin might be a little longer. This might be bigger. This might have better range. But that one carries more weight. So if you're going to go on a long vacation, that's probably the one you want to take. Unless you want a whole new work.
I want the one with the biggest engine.
I took up this hobby of building model airplanes, and I progressed to this level.
I want the one with the biggest engine.
Notice it has power steering,
Yes.
and it's got a very nice display here, similar
Yes,
to
I see
the
that.
video display.
Does this have global positioning system too?
It has a global positioning system, but sometimes you open the window and you look down to see where you are. That's what we call VFR, Visual Flight Rules, as opposed to instrument
Yes, I
rules.
see.
That's how that works. And we try also to have a companion with us. We call that the co-pilot.
Yes,
So in case the pilot gets a heart attack or dies or gets dizzy or
I see.
hungry
And when
or
the
needs to
policy-
go to the bathroom. Or
Yes,
something.
okay. That person would sit over here. I
That person,
take it.
right?
Yeah,
That
yeah,
certain
yes,
person
yes,
would sit over
yes.
there.
Yes, yes,
We also have some, some reading material in case we get lost and we have to look for landmarks or something
yes,
like
yes,
that.
I see. Yes,
That's how we do it.
That's a requirement.
Keep
Yes.
this in the book. This is the current edition. It says we'll recycle in December 2009, so we have to change that over in 2009. Well, we also have these high-tech devices, these paper clips here. So nothing gets lost
Wow.
in the... Did you bring any coupons, any discount coupons that you clipped from the newspaper, or...
No, actually, I was told that I could get a discount if I showed my membership in the.
You mean the frequent flyer program?
Yeah, that's right. If I had my frequent flyer miles, I don't have to worry about that. Yes.
All right. Well, thank you very much for giving us so much time. We got our own little individual air conditioning units.
It's rather impressive.
It's
really is.
right. Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. I want the one with the biggest engine.
We just viewed the Hawker and we decided that it was a little too small. So we're moving up to this airplane, which is a Gulfstream. Does it have enough closet space, Marianne?
I don't know. I think it looks like it might be able to. It depends what you're bringing with you.
I see.
You have to determine. Now the only thing is they've got closet space in here. This is also the place where they have a toilet.
They have what?
They have the toilet.
Oh, the toilet is in there too.
But it has a leather cover on it. It's convenient. But I guess,
Oh yeah, it says vacant.
yes, it does say vacant. Yes, it's very good.
All right, well let's see what the rest of the plane looks like.
Yeah, and we have, of course, these nice gold features here.
Well, thanks a lot for.
Play movies on there or something like that. It's not hooked up right now. And there's another one that comes out here for you. I mean, if you wanted to.
It doesn't work that way.
If you want to watch
It's
Law and Order or
yeah. Well, it's
NCIS.
one is for this seat, and the other one is for your seat. Each person has their own screen.
You can sleep 6.
Oh, sleep 6, oh good. I want the one with the biggest engine. Sink here. This must be another bathroom I want the one with the biggest engine.
Might be speaker, might be field trip.
I want the one with the biggest engine.
It is coming. We're just coming up.
Well, actually, this has been a wonderful opportunity to get an insight into future purchases. This will be added to my ability to move around freely. A big boon to education, especially since the subway fare is going up. And this should be a way to counteract that and deal more effectively with the problems that we're having.
Now, do you plan on making any purchases today?
Actually, no, I like to make all my purchases online.